Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manoj Kumar NV, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Management Sciences, Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. So today we are going to discuss about the topic venture capital. So we are in the Unit 5 entitled is Credit Rating and Venture Capital. So the subject title Banking and Financial Services, subject code is 18 MBA FM 301. So we can know that whenever there is a startup, there is a very difficult situation for the entrepreneurs to raise their funds. So whether there might be a seed capital or it might be a required capital. So for raising funds, it becomes a hectic task for the manager to decide which are the source the manager need to be considered to go for raising the funds for the company. So here the one of the major source for raising the seed capital for best projects is venture capital. So venture capital is a form of a private equity. So private equity in the sense it is invested by the private people who is not involved as an internal stakeholder in the sense are the shareholders of the company, and a type of financing that investors provide the startup companies. So therefore the venture capital, the name itself entitled with the venture capital, they are providing a seed capital, they are providing a seed capital, and it is considered to be a private equity. So when you are define the venture capital, you have to carefully use these two terms there while you are explaining the funds which is raised to the company through venture capital. The people, private equity, it is one of the type of private equity. They are going to be financing to the companies through providing a seed capital for startup companies, or else we can use it as small businesses that are believed to have a long-term growth potential. So therefore, whatever the companies are coming with their own idea, their own innovation, their own effective projects, prospectus or proposals, surely that is going to be evaluated by the venture capital team, and if they notice that those projects are yield better for the futuristic returns to their investment, surely they are going to be provide the required funds, whether it might be a small business or startup companies. The venture capitalists, they are ready to fund it into such projects. So venture capital generally comes from well-off investors. So therefore they are going to be make huge investment. So therefore we use the term private equity, where when you go for public equity, what happen, the proportion of the capital divided into n number of shares. So large number of shares are collecting the funds through the investors. But in under private equity, the numbers are very less. The people who are involved to funding, they are very less, but the amount of investment is very high. And investment bankers are there, like merchant bankers and any financial institutions who are ready to provide the finance through a private equity, that we are called as venture capitalist. However, it does not always take a monetary form. It can also provide it in the form of technical and managerial expertise. So means whatever we have a venture capitalist team, so the team not only concentrate only in funding parameter, they also consider whatever the managerial practices which is required, technical assistance the company is expected, the service also provided by the venture capitalist. Then the venture capital is typically allocated to small companies with expected growth potential, or to companies that have grown quickly and appear uh, poised to continue expand. So means whenever there is a huge demand for such companies, or that is the initial startup but the market demand is very high, or the team which have a very high potentiality, such plans, platform or project that is going to be identified by the venture capitalist to make a funding into such organization to create larger profits by investing into growth oriented firms. So that is the main intention of the venture capitalists. They are going to be gain very high return at the short span of time by investing a seed capital. So any adventurous projects, innovative projects or new startup businesses, they are going to be evaluated the proposals to make an funding into such projects to yield better on return on investment. Though it can be risky for investor who put up funds, the potential for above average returns is attractive payoff. So means they are taking the entire risk of the business. They want to make the particular business into more profitable, or else whatever they are invested, that invested is not going to be yield better. So therefore, what the venture capital is going to do is they make the organization not only by funding, they also concentrating to manage the enterprise skills as well as technical assistance they used to provide to empower the organizational profitability. So therefore, that will make that whatever they do investment, based on that they can able to anticipate better return. For new companies or ventures that have a limited operating history, like they only have a 1 year performance or 2 years, just it's a new company. These venture capitalist funding is increasingly become a more popular, even more essential source of rising up funds or capital, especially if they lack access to capital markets, like they are unable to register under the Security Exchange Board of India or else in Stock Exchange Board. So therefore, when they are not listed or when they are not registered, surely they couldn't able to access any bank loans or debt instruments. They couldn't able to use it. So therefore, at that time they can able to depend on the venture capital. So the main downside is that the investor usually get equity in the company and thus say in company's decision. So therefore, even though it's a private placement, so they can easily get the investment in the company. Then when we take a consideration of venture capital, where the venture capital have a few features. So we will discuss one by one. We will discuss one by one, where we have, so here they are going to provide, so they are going to provide the technical and managerial assistance, and they used to provide written both for the investors as well as for their businesses. They can able to achieve the return, and even it will be in term of equity. So therefore, you can able to generate the private equity to the firm's capital, and the another one is the growth. So means whatever the venture capitalists, they are anticipated to make an investment, they always used to expect the better growth. And as you know already that whatever we had a startup businesses, so for startup businesses it is the best source of finance, where you can able to encourage the venture capitalists towards to make an investment in your enterprises, as well as it is also concentrating on small businesses. So, or any entities, if they want to start up, then they can able to depends on the venture capital. Then they are going to be pool the investment in terms of money. So, therefore, whatever we do on that is depends on the amount which the venture capitalists they are invested, and raise in the sense where you can able to increase your capital base, or else you can able to increase your seed capital. Whatever your required capital for the company, that amount you can able to raise through venture capital. Then obviously it had a risk. So risk is one of the major element for any business, where in the venture capitalist also they have so much of risk, because they are taking a very high risk. Obviously they are also enjoy with very high return in the majority of the businesses, because it is have a continuous evaluation of performance, and they are concentrating on each and every aspects of the company. So that might be leads to those venture capitalists to earn or yield better by investing into new startups or any new businesses. Then even it is allowed that anybody you can able to start your individual firm. So therefore, whenever you are concentrating to coming with your own type of organization, or you are expecting that it should be with your own ideas or thoughts, then you can able to make use of this platform through venture capital, so that will make the firm to coming with their own ideas or their own technology they can able to inculcate. Then also you can enjoy with whatever the funds which are required, whether you need not to stick on with any other dependent sources. You can able to easily raise any funds, any amount of funds which is required to the company, that you can ensure and you can raise through venture capital. So when we can raise the funds, it will be in the private hands. So in the hands of private people, the venture capitalist capital, that they are going to be make an investment into the company. So therefore there is a participation of whole 100% of the investment you can made through private people. So our corporates we used to call it as. So then we can look into each of the elements where how these venture capitalist capital which is performed in the market. Where any businesses who are involved into such innovative idea or their own independent projects towards link through the venture capital. So venture capital which is provide all these platform to make encouragement to the such businesses by providing the financial assistance and best return to the company. And even it carries a high risk, because they don't know much about our business and the people are personnel. Even still they are ready to make an investment just to considering your proposal or whatever you are coming with your own idea on your specific idea or innovative thinking. They are going to be do the investment in the venture capital. So therefore that might be leads to very high degree of risk to the venture capitalist or venture capital investment. And all these features are most important where most important factors where the venture capitalists need to be take consideration of each and everything, as well as a business people, they must need to be understand what is the benefit they are going to be getting by getting an investment from the venture capital. Then coming to features of venture capital investment. So when we are considering a feature, so as I already said, features so in under the feature, the first one here is very high risk. And then it will be have a lack of liquidity. Then it has a long-term horizon. Long-term horizon and equity participation. Equity participation, and also they have a also they can enjoy with the capital gains. And venture capital investment are made on innovative projects. And also suppliers of venture capital participate in the management of the company. Yes, so here we can notice here that where whatever the features we are list down, where we have a very high risk compared to all other sources, venture capitalists, they have faced very high level of risk. Even for the business it is a high risk, because unless the business they are coming with the best performance, they couldn't able to return back whatever the amount they received from the venture capitalist. So therefore both the parties, even the investors as well as even the company, both they have very high risk. Then lack of liquidity. So lack of liquidity in the sense immediately you can't able to convert your business into more transparency towards liquidity. So therefore there will be a consideration of the actual consideration in the business. So therefore there is a transparency in the business towards maintaining the proper liquidity. And long-term horizon, as I said, when it is a venture capital, you couldn't able to anticipate once you are invested your investment, you need to be wait for a long run towards getting return back with your expected returns. It is not going to be yield immediately. So therefore there is a very long term horizon will be applicable for venture capital business. Then equity participation. So equity participation, where even though you are not be a public investor, you can be a private investor for the company. So therefore, by investing through equity, you can have a participation in the equity. So therefore, even though you can be a equity owner for the company by making a private investment. And capital gains, so here most important here is capital gain. Whenever you are go for selling such equity, obviously the price of such equity will be very higher, because the book value is comparatively lower than the market value. So henceforth you will be resulting with a very high capital gain. So therefore, even though you are investing in the seed capital, after the 2 years or 5 years, obviously the particular equity price will be goes up based on the performance of the company, and continuous involvement by the venture capitalist. Surely the company is in the control to manage the entire enterprise, and they can able to coming with the better profits. When there is a proper control, obviously they can easily reach their objectives, whether it might be for increasing or enhancing the turnover, or increasing the profitability, or advancing their technology and innovation, research and development. There they can easily focus when they have a evaluation team. So therefore, that is going to be helpful for them to have better capital gains in the long run. And venture capital investment are made on innovative project. This is also most important criteria in the venture capital, where they only focused on innovative projects. These innovative projects are critically evaluated by the entire team of the venture capitalist. So once they approved, then they are going to be release the funds to the particular companies. Then suppliers of venture capital participate in the management of the company. So this is also one of the main decision, that the company is going to be given a share in the position of the company. So therefore, they can be chair the particular company position. Might probably, if the company have 3 board of directors, then 2 will be added from the venture capitalist funder. So therefore, they are so involved in the decision making of the company. So therefore, that will give the maximum confidence and conformity to the venture capitalist to know the and to aware of company operation and the performance. So that will be result better for the company towards somebody from the outsider. They are investigating your company performances. So that makes always ensure that the higher efficiency and effectiveness in the company. So therefore, there is a chance of those private players who are involved in the high or top level of the management towards make any such decisions. Then we will move to the methods of venture capital financing. So methods of venture capital financing. Here we have the first method is equity, and then they can able to participating in debentures, and at the last there will be a chance of conditional loans. So these are the major 3 ways or 3 modes of funding through venture capital. So the first one here is where we have a equity. So therefore, as a venture capitalist, they can able to participate in the company equity proportion by investing private. So therefore, the major few companies who are ready to make an investment into our company, or few corporates they are ready to make an investment into our company, or money lenders who are ready to invest very high investment into our company, then those people they can able to invest into the equity and to be considered to be a one of the partner or one of the investor to the company. So therefore there will be a chance of private equity participation. Then the second one is participating in the debentures. So means they can easily provide the funds through debentures. So therefore the company is ready to pledge their assets in case of any unconditional situation, unexpected situation which is happened in the company towards go with the liquidation or bankruptcy. At that time the company promised to make a return with by selling their own company fixed assets. So therefore they have assurance on company fixed assets to whatever they are provide the funds to the company. So therefore even the private people they can invest their money through debentures. So therefore they will be getting a secured interest every year. So whatever the prescribed fixed rate of interest they are going to be enjoying with their investment. Also they can able to invest their amount as a conditional loan. So conditional loan, the name only indicates it's a type of loan with the different conditions which is offered to the company, where the specific rate of interest or the maturity period of the particular loan, everything that might be a consideration of conditional. So based on that conditions, the companies are obligated towards make a repayment. So therefore these are the major three methods which is used in the venture capital financing. Then coming to funding process, how they do funding. So what will be the criteria they are going to be consider. So here the first process in the venture capital is to distribution. Venture capital funding process. So venture capital funding process, first it will be start from the here first it will be start from the distribution. So first here there will be a chance of fundraising. Then it will be a evaluation. Then they are going to make an investment. Then governing. Then they do governing. Then exit. Then it is going to be end up with the distribution. So this is the process of venture capital fundraising. So where any company they are always expected to raise their funds. So therefore there is a requirement of funds to the company. So therefore you must need to be known what are the capital source, or whether to go for bank, whether you can able to go with any other funds, corporation funds or private funds. You must need to be decide in the fundraising. So after you know the fundraising, then you must need to approach the venture capitalist, and you must need to undergo with the evaluation of venture opportunities. So therefore, those venture capitalists, they are going to be evaluate your project critically, and they must need to know the result, that whether they are going to be funding or not. Then once they given the approval that your project proposal is accepted for do the funding, then they are going to be invest the amount through venture capital into your enterprises. Then once they invested, obviously there is a supervision by the people. There might be a chance of they are participating in the management, or they are going to be provide the financial assistance, managerial assistance, as well as technical assistance. So therefore, there is a continuous supervision, and they are going to be take a control of the business by participating in the management. Then once they have a once they gown with the particular business and expecting that the company must need to be reported the higher growth, then they go with the liquidation. So exit means once the company perform very well, and once they are get back whatever the invested capital, then they go with the exit scheme, where they are going to be generate liquidation through IPO. So therefore, through IPO they are going to be issue, and from that they are going to be anticipated the capital. And then once the company perform very well, then it is mandate to the company, and it is one of the responsibility to the company to encourage their investors by paying a required rate of return. So therefore, whatever they do the investment for our company, the company must need to be in the position to pay regular returns to the investors to encourage them towards make any additional investment to the company. So hope today we are discuss what is the meaning of venture capital. So venture capital, again once again I will repeat to you, venture capital, there you can able to raise your seed capital through the private equity for your business or very small business, or for your based on your project, you can able to anticipate your required capital through venture capital. So therefore, any adventure or any projects, any new innovative ideas or thoughts or projects, then it is going to be invested by the private people through equity to raise your seed capital. To that capital we called it as venture capital. So where they have the following characteristics, where they provide the funds, and the company must need to be in the position to pay the returns to whatever they are invested. So therefore, obviously in the venture capital business, they are going to be getting maximum rate of return, and it is invested by the private people. It might be corporates or financial institution or the banker, and through equity participation they can able to enter into the company as a owner. So therefore, even they are going to be enjoy the equity participation in the company, and obviously as a company they must need to be report very high growth. So these growth should be governed by the venture capitalist people, and any startup companies as well as any new type of business or any new type of firm, they can able to start up with their own new ideas and channelize their business into very right manner. And any rise of funds which is required, whether it might be a very short span of 1 or 2 years of the existing company or any new startup, they can able to prefer to go with the venture capital investment, because they need not to be follow much rules and regulations when they go for private investment. And even whatever the amount of investment which you require, you can easily raise. You need not to be wait for the entire process to complete to release the funds, or there is a huge procedure to follow as a bank loan. You must need to follow all the rules and regulations to fulfill, and surety and guarantee must need to be provided to get the loan. All these procedural aspects become lower when we take a part of capital from the venture capital. And obviously it have a risk both for both the investor as well as for the company. For investor, without knowing entire about the particular business, they are going to be make an investment into such businesses with a very high amount of capital. They are going to be contributed with the expectation of very high growth, high profitability with the short term result, with the payback period they are anticipated. So therefore there will be a chance of very high risk. Even for the company, they have an obligation that they must need to be in the position to achieve whatever the desired profit by the venture capitalist, and whatever the support which is given in terms of monetary supports, the venture capitalists, they are going to be provide. So the major concentration in the venture capitalists, they are going to be funding to the companies or startup and they are going to be promoted to the investors or businesses to coming with the new entities. Then coming to the features of venture capital, where they have a high degree of risk. Obviously, as I said, for investor, for the business, both the parties, they have a very high risk. Lack of liquidity, immediate conversions are not taken place. So because when the company has a perpetuity, obviously the owners, they must need to wait to have a better liquidity and long term horizon. So return on investment as well as repayment of their loan amount or issued funds, that will be take a very long time to get payback. Then equity participation, as I said, as an investor you can be a equity participant, as well as it will be give you a better gain for your investment. So therefore there will be a very high percentage of capital gain which is arise through the venture capital. And venture capital investment are for innovative projects. So therefore when there is a chance of any innovative or technological advance or R&D which is taken place, then easily those companies, they can able to prefer the venture capitalist funds. And suppliers of venture capital participants, they can be a part of the management. So therefore this is also one of the chance that the venture capitalists, they become a board of director position also they can able to place in the company. So therefore continuous evaluation and supervision, and they are taking the company into a right direction by providing the technical and financial assistance to them. And coming to the different methods of financing in the venture capital, where they have a equity. So as I already said, they become a equity capital holders become by investing private, and participation in debentures. So even though they can do the secured investment with the fixed rate of interest through debentures, and even they can also invest through condition loans. So through the money lenders or any in financial institution, they have a conditional loans where they are limited with the number of years and confined with the rate of interest or amount of capital. So that will be a condition loan they can also prefer in the venture capital. And coming to the process, how they are going to be evaluated and what the company must need to do for having a venture capital funding process, where any company, they have a expectation of raising a funds. So raising funds, where they are going to be decide the what source they have to use, where to raise, what amount to raise, and what rate of cost which is fetched towards raising the particular funds, they must need to be estimated. Then they must need to be approached to the venture capitalist, and the venture capitalists, they are going to be evaluate the entire organization, that whatever the opportunities your organization is, they are going to be expected towards having a better returns. Then once it is accepted by the venture capitalist through the continuous evaluation, then they are going to be invest to your company. So once they are make an investment into your enterprises, then they must need to be in the part of your management, or there will be a continuous supervision or controlling towards the organizational practices. So therefore in governing, they are mainly concentrating towards govern the entire organization towards set the objectives and make the organization into more profitable and achieve better growth. And then after that, they are go with the generate the liquidate through IPO. So therefore, whatever they are on the benefit from that, then they are going to be generate the liquidate through IPOs. So initial public offer they are going to be issued, then that will be a distribution. So in the distribution, whatever they are share that to the through the IPOs, then those shareholders they want some returns from the company side. So therefore, in the distribution, the company is going to be take the better decision towards providing the regular returns and better returns to the equity shareholders towards enjoying the returns for their investment. So hope you understand the today's video about venture capitalist finance. So we have discussed the meaning, characteristics, features, methods, and the funding process in under venture capital. Thank you for your listening. Thank you one and all.